So in music, we have different type of scales we'll be using to either play music or approach music. Now we have over 8 of them or more. So but in this lesson we'll be doing like 8 or so. So first of all, we have what we call the major scale. Now your major scale is, you can also call it your solfa notations, right? Previously we did a solfa notation. I don't want to play it there because it's also the major scale. It's also when you play a do re mi fa sol la ti do, it's also your major, it's also called your major scale. That's why I didn't play it previously. So it's called the major. The first scale is called the major scale. So this is how the major scale. So I'm using the key of C. Let me identify your key firstly. So this G, D, A. On the strings of A, I'm using C. So A sharp, B, C. Right? So now that is it. So this is my C. So now the major scale. This is a major scale. So this is a major scale. Right? Let me play again slowly. Right, so you can actually call it also your solfa notations. Right, so what I'm starting with my middle finger. So which is the do, which is the 1, right? The 1, then you jump 1 fret, then the next one it gives you your 2, which is the re. Right, so your middle finger and your pinky finger. So 1, 2. Right, the next one is the third, which is the mi. So the mi is on the second string. There is the D string, right? On the D string open, so D sharp, E. So C, right? D, E. You get it? So C, D, E. So do, re, mi, which is 1, 2, 3. You get it? So your middle finger, your pinky finger, and your index finger. So the next note is called the fourth, which is the fa. So there's no jumping, you just play straight. Fa, right? So do, re, mi, fa, which is your 1, 2, 3, 4, and also your C, D, E, then F. You get it? So immediately after, so do, re, mi, fa. After this, the next one is your so, right? So you just jump a note, right? You jump this one, and it gives you your so. So do, re, mi, fa, so, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then it is C, D, E, F, G. You get it? So that is it. So after your G, your do, re, mi, fa, so. The next one is your la. Next one is your la. This is it. Also, there is underneath your mi. So your la, right? So la, which is your 6. That is your A. So do, re, mi, fa, so, la. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one is your T. So you jump 1 after your la. You jump 1 with your T. You're using your ring finger for it, and you end it with your do. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is your 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You see, I'm also using the number system, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also use it as keys, which is C, D, E, right? F, G, A, B, and come back to your C. You see it? So that is the major scale, and you can also call it your solfa notations. So let's play it very slow. In the middle finger, your pinky finger, your index finger, your middle finger, your pinky finger, your index finger, your ring finger, and your pinky. So then you can go back, you can descend. Go back again. Then you descend. So that is your major scale, and you can also call it your solfa notations.